According to the National Defense University, the United States is currently using the flintlock method in order to train the Nigerian militias to take down Boko Haram. However, this specific method is rather ineffective as it's going to backfire on the United States and the Nigerian militias, as shown in the past, in which more innocent civilians were killed rather than the enemy itself. This means that the United States has no proper method to combating this specific group. And so, representatives, we have to fail today's legislation because first, militarily engaging with Boko Haram would only increase corruption within Nigeria, according to Alexander Thurston, an assistant professor at Georgetown University. The United States used drone strikes to combat Al-Qaeda and Al-Shabaab in Yemen. Unfortunately, this led to problems because although these two terror organizations decreased in size and power, they are still a pertinent threat today. This is because the United States did not destroy the cause of the rise in these terror organizations, which was corruption. They just eradicated these groups, which is not as successful as taking down the corruption within the country. And so in Nigeria, there's also corruption. And so in order to take down Boko Haram, we have to first take down the corruption within the region. And as according to Nathaniel D. F. Allen, a PhD candidate of the Johns Hopkins University, there's a lot of corruption because of the types of judicial trials. In fact, 6,000 are inmates, and approximately 4,000 are innocent, and all 6,000 were killed. This means that we have to somehow make the corruption within the judicial system less corrupt in order to take down Boko Haram. But second, we have to look towards an alternative, which is focusing on the internal problems rather than Boko Haram itself. According to Jafar Abdi of Narsaba State University 2014, there's something called the Nigeria Project, in which it's trying to increase cooperation between different regions of Nigeria. This is because in Nigeria, there are different parts in which have different ethnicities and also different religion and languages. And so by having more economic interdependence, there will be less of these centrifugal forces. The same source elaborates that in different parts of Nigeria, there are different geographical types of areas, such as different types of soil, which means they'll be able to produce different types of plants, meaning that'll increase in interdependence. By forcing more of an economy to rise within the region, it will make sure that Nigeria is stronger. But regarding the judicial problems, we can have more speedy trials in order to mitigate Boko Haram by allowing more Islamic laws for the Boko Haram suspects. It'll be mediating the effect that Boko Haram has on the country. And so, representatives, we can't pass today because of this unviable situation. We have to focus on the internal problems and rather than Boko Haram itself.